And here's the best part, putting them on the forks and dipping and tasting. So I take my first piece, which is the banana. These are a little bit slippery, so you want to make sure you get the fork way into the middle of the banana. And then you just dip it in, twirl it a little to get the excess off. Of course, I like the excess. And then taste. Mmm. That is so good. Then, the angel food cake, that might slide off the fork also. And it's very crumbly. So when you dip it in, you want to do like a little twist of the wrist. So you dip and twist, and there you have a nice chunk of angel food cake with chocolate. And then we have the strawberry. This one you want to put sort of close to the top by the green part, if you kept the green on. And then you can just dip it in, give it a little twirl, and there's your strawberry. And then for the pineapple, you can just poke it through and dip it in on the side that doesn't have the rind.